Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to Gigabyte driver and then you can see here right hand side to search button, just click it and then type your model number of motherboard which is required to driver. Then click to guys product. Then click the name of the title. So guys, then click to support. Then guys, select your operating system Windows 10 11 which is required. So select any installations process which is I am saying like same. Okay, audio driver, download, wait few seconds, you can see here 116 size. Then click to open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting to your system, to your driver, to your system. Now you can see this is audio driver installing. So it will complete means automatically closed. So when it is automatically closed, so you can see this automatically showing here hidden side here. Then close chipset, AMD chipset driver, just click to download. You can see this is size 71.95. Then it is completed, just single click to open, double click to launch this. Then click to yes. Then closed LAN driver, click to download. Then it is done and just single click to open, double click to exe. then click to yes. Now this is extracting. So when it is completed, then close it. Bluetooth driver, we can see this is Bluetooth driver, and click to download. You can see here it is started downloading. So it is completed. Just open this folder and double click to setup. Click to yes. Now you can see here it will show here it is it will detect and showing perform and installations by the cmd command. It will close the download means this is installed. WLAN means guys Wi-Fi driver. See Wi-Fi driver, Intel Wi-Fi driver. Okay, click to download. Otherwise download different version. So Intel Wi-Fi driver. It will start automatically. So wait few seconds. It depends about your internet. You can see here there are two installed. So it is completed. Then open. After that double click to exe. You can see here exe. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is installing and install it.